This is Henderson Island, an uninhabited island in the Pacific Ocean. Or rather, this is what Henderson Island used to look like. This is Henderson Island as of 2017. The island used to be remarkable for its biodiversity and charming scenery. However, it is now known for its accumulation of plastic debris. And Henderson Island isn't alone. Accumulation of plastic waste in the ocean and on coastlines is a global issue with severe consequences for wildlife. It is our responsibility as inhabitants of this planet to take care of it and ensure it is livable for future generations. Through extensive research in the past few weeks, we, science undergraduates at Purdue University, are confident in giving you some key information on the effects, causes, and possible solutions of marine plastic pollution. To begin, let's discuss why exactly plastic pollution is a problem. According to the United Nations Environment Assembly, by 2050 there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Driven by currents, wasted plastic accumulates over time and eventually forms garbage patches, large flowing debris fields. These patches are dangerous for marine animals, as they are entangled by fish nets and plastic bags and ingest smaller plastics. It is estimated that around 100,000 marine mammals are killed every year by plastic pollution, as well as millions of birds and fishes. And marine animals are not the only ones affected by plastic. It can also be harmful for humans. As plastic decomposes in the ocean, toxic chemicals are released into seawater. Marine animals ingest these toxins, and when humans eat marine life, those toxic chemicals end up in our bodies. Chemicals used for plastic production, such as polystyrene and polyethylene glycol, are found in samples of people from all over the world. Those toxic chemicals may induce immunotoxicological responses, alter gene expression, and even cause cell death. The irony of humans ingesting the very waste that they produce can't be overstated. Plastic pollution is obviously an issue, but what are its causes? There are two types of plastic debris: microplastics, which are smaller than 5 millimeters, and macroplastics, which are larger than 5 millimeters. Most macroplastics in the ocean today come from single-use items such as disposable water bottles, grocery bags, and plastic straws. These macroplastics then slowly degrade into microplastics. Additionally, some microplastics are manufactured by humans, as many personal hygiene products such as toothpaste and shampoos use microplastics. Plastic enters our oceans through reckless disposal by coastal communities. In a 2015 study by Jannpei et al., it was estimated that up to 12.7 million metric tons of plastic pollution enters the oceans every year from coastal waste disposal. And since plastics have such a slow decomposition rate, it stays in the oceans for decades, polluting our waters and harming marine life during its stay. Now that we know the causes of marine plastic pollution, let's talk about how to fix it. Firstly, it is generally recognized that waste management through 3R policy, reduce, reuse, and recycle, is a sustainable way to control plastic pollution. In addition, replacing conventional plastics with biodegradable plastics could be helpful. However, biodegradable plastics only degrade into microplastics, which continue to pollute the ocean. Last but not least, researchers have discovered other methods in the past decades, including plastic incineration, pyrolysis, and solvent extraction. In 2019, chemical engineers at Purdue University discovered a method to convert plastic to crude oil efficiently, but it requires pure recycled plastic. In conclusion, marine plastic pollution is a major issue worldwide that harms marine life and humans. It is caused by the reckless disposal of plastics near the coast, but by more strictly following 3R policies and using newly developed technologies, we may yet be able to alleviate this crisis. So, the next time you think of using a single-use plastic or not recycling, remember Justin the sea turtle.